I chose Oswego for the Greek finance program and because it was affordable.
I chose Oswego because I really value adaptability, and this place offered a different culture, a different weather, and just a different experience overall. What I really value about Oswego was the ability to experience the four seasons, in addition to just the people in the community. So many opportunities available just to you.
I love that the school is big enough to have so many opportunities, but small enough to let you experience all of them. Yeah, my accent went out.
My favorite memory at Oswego was over the summer during my orientation experience. Me and a few friends would go to the lake every day and just watch the sunset.
My favorite memory is making a huge snowman in front of the library with my friends. I would say don't be afraid to reach out. Because reaching out, you gain so many new opportunities, meet so many new people, and it just adds to a great experience.
As for me, I would say make sure you check your email every single chance you get because deadlines are important. And also, reach out as early as possible because you're here for a job at the end of the day. Come to Oswego!
Come here!
Yeah! Too far, too far.